Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share you why I could not crack any software testing interview. Okay, so many people may apply for software testing job vacancies, and even you may receive some interview calls also, and you would have attended some interviews as well, but still you could not clear any technical interview in software testing. So by the end of this video, I am sure you definitely aware of what mistakes I did until now. Okay, so why I could not crack in software testing interview. Okay, so you definitely get the answer for these questions. Okay, so there are a lot of reasons are there to clear or to crack the software testing interview. Okay, so this is the first reason: coding skills. Coding skill is mandatory for automation testing purpose. Okay, so that may be any programming language. It might be Java or Python or C Sharp. Okay, so most preferably language for coding for automation testing, Java and Python for automation testing. Okay, so because nowadays many people are switching their job. Non-IT background students or non-IT background employees are switching their career into software testing job. Okay, but they may have a lack of coding skills. They are unable to clear technical rounds in software testing interviews. Okay, so you should prepare OOPS concepts, strings, collections, okay, methods. Okay, these are the very important concepts, either it is Java or Python. Okay, so definitely you will get the practical example of coding skills, then only you can clear the technical interview. Okay, then second tip is, so not good enough to expose project. So whenever you are attending any technical interview, you may not have good communication skills. I mean, unable to explain your project properly. Okay, so you should be good at to explain your project in proper way. Then only you can clear the technical interview. So without knowing much knowledge about your current project, you definitely not get, you're unable to clear the technical interview. Okay, so learn the must know the concept or knowledge about a project. Okay, the third point is real-time scenario concepts. So lack of real-time concepts, real-time scenario concepts, because nowadays every interview is happening real-time scenarios only. Suppose you are attending for a Selenium tester engineer, so they may ask questions about real-time scenarios where you have applied your OOPS concept in your project. Can you explain where we used inheritance concept in your project? So you have to take one example on real-time scenario in your current project, not simple examples. Okay, so the next thing is database skills. So database skills also mandatory, like SQL. At least you have to write some basic SQL queries. So without SQL queries knowledge, you are unable to get the job in software testing. Okay, so these skills are also mandatory. So everyone focusing on Selenium concept, automation concepts, and manual testing concepts and frameworks, but they are giving less preference on database skills like SQL. So even your Selenium automation tester, SQL knowledge is required, some basic skills. Okay, and next reason is you don't know job openings and job details properly. So while you are applying for any job, so without knowing any job details, you are applying for job and you are attending the interview. You are not reading carefully about job details, job description, what the company is expecting from you. Because you know Selenium concepts and Selenium experience, but company is expecting some performance testing, some other experience also, but you are attending the interview. So there also might be reason you are unable to clear the technical interview. Okay, so read carefully, read job description carefully, okay, before attending the interview. And also before attending the interview, know about the company and required skills. Okay, what exactly company is looking for. Okay, so you know some skills, but interview panel expecting some other skills. Okay, so that is the reason before attending the interview you must know about the required skills, about the company, and what exactly what they are looking. Okay, the next reason is lack of basics of software testing. So many candidates don't know the basic things like manual testing concepts. Even they don't know difference between SDLC and STLC. Even they don't know difference between waterfall model and agile model. Okay, so there are a lot of concepts are there in manual testing. Without training on manual testing, they are jumping into the software automation testing. Okay, so even they don't know how to write test cases or test scenarios. Okay, so that is the main reason they are unable to clear the technical interview. The final one is, you think testing is a very easy job. So many candidates says that testing job is very easy. Anybody can do that job. No, that's not true. Those days are gone. Now in the present situation, who can able to write test cases and who can able to do automation test cases using Selenium or whatever you choose technology, they only can survive in IT industry. So without these reasons, these tips, you unable to clear the technical interview or even unable to survive in IT industry. So coding is important to survive in IT industry as a software testing job. Okay, so these are the tips. I'm just giving guidance to you guys. Okay, and also I will give finally one important point. Any developer, not only tester or developer, any programmer who can do hard work, they definitely get job. Okay, so even without hard work, no one get job. Okay, so if you really like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will give more and more latest technology videos each and every day. Okay, and also don't forget, hit the like button, and also comment on any other reasons are there to crack any software testing interview. Please comment that one also. Okay, so my suggestion, my advice is for all software testing engineers, without proper guidance, don't take any training session. So they may say that no coding skills required to do software testing job. That's 100% not a truth. Okay, coding skills mandatory nowadays. So it may be Java or Python. Okay, definitely you have to learn OOPS concept, strings, collections, okay, methods, generics concepts, each and everything you must know. Then only you can survive in IT industry. Okay, so if you really like this video, please share to your friends also. Okay, and thank you for watching.